welcome back. So for today, I'm going to discuss to you problems about or involving kinetic energy. So we have here, I prepared three problems. So I hope you'll understand something. So we have here example number 1. Proceed tayo. We have here determine the kinetic energy of a 625 kilogram roller coaster car that is moving at a speed of 18.3 meter per second. Again, ano yung formula ng kinetic energy natin? We have kinetic energy that is 1/2 mv squared. So, yung m natin that is our mass, yung v natin is ang speed. So, identify natin yung given natin. So, yung mass natin is 625 kilogram at saka yung speed natin. We have our speed denoted by v that is 18.3 meter per second. So, substitute natin ito lahat sa formula. So, our kinetic energy will be 1/2 times our mass, 625 kilogram, and our speed that is 18.3 meter per second quantity squared is equal to, so let's have that one, 1/2 times 625 times 18.3 squared. So this is, we have here our kinetic energy. So let's round it off to the nearest whole number. So this is 104,653 kilogram times meter squared per second squared, or that is 104,653 joules. So that will be our answer for example number 1. Okay? Proceed tayo with number 2 if walang question. Proceed tayo sa number 2. We have here Missy, a former diver, had a kinetic energy of 12,000 joules just prior hitting the water. So if Missy has a mass of 40 kilogram, then what is her speed? So speed yung hinahanap natin dito. May given tayo na kinetic energy at may given na mass. Again, yung formula ng kinetic energy natin, we have 1/2 times mv squared. So, let's substitute our given natin. So, let's identify our given. We have here our kinetic energy, that is 12,000 joules, and our mass is 40 kilogram. Okay, so substitute natin ito sa ating formula. That will be Ke is equal to 1/2 times our mass, that is 40 kilogram, times our velocity that is unknown. Our speed that is unknown. So, Ke natin is 1,200, our kinetic energy is 12,000 joules. So, that is 1/2 ng 40. We have 50 kilogram times our v squared. So, divide natin ito by 20 kilogram. So, ang matira na lang is, we have v squared will be equal to, okay, so that will be 12,000 divided by 20. So, this is 600. 600, that will be now, ang matira na lang since, diba, take note, ang joule natin, that is equal to kilogram times meter squared per second squared. So, ang matira na lang is meter squared per second squared. Okay, since may squared pa tayo dito, so square root natin ito. So, we have here, v will be square root of 600 meter squared per second squared. So, our velocity, our speed, so yung speed natin is square root ng 600. So, round off natin ito sa nearest whole number. So, this will be 25 meter per second. So, yan yung speed ni Missy. Again ha, nag-derive lang tayo. I-substitute muna natin itong KE, yung kinetic energy natin na given. Then, substitute natin ito sa yung mass. Then, multiply sa 1/2, that is 20. Then, divide both side by 20. Then, get the square root of our answer. Then, we can have our speed. So, ganyan lang yung process. Okay? Let's proceed sa example number 3. We have here last example. A car had a kinetic energy of 200,000 joules prior hitting the tree. If the car has a speed of 20 meter per second, then what is the mass of the car? So, yung kanina, ang hinahanap is ang speed. Ngayon naman, ang hinahanap natin is ang mass ng car. So, given na naman yung kinetic energy, tsaka given yung speed. Again, yung formula natin, that is K is equal to 1/2 mv squared. Okay, identify natin yung given. Ano yung kinetic energy natin? We have 20,000 joules. Then our speed is 20 meter per second. Then yung mass natin is unknown. Okay? Then we have here, substitute natin now sa formula. So, ito yung gamitin natin ha. Substitute natin yung KE. So, that will be 20,000 joules is equal to 1/2. Yung M natin is unknown. Yung V natin is 20 meter per second. Quantity squared. So, we have here, so that will be 20,000 joules. Copy natin. Then, we have 1/2. Ano yung squared ng 20? It is 20 squared. This will be 400 meters squared per second squared times our mass. So, ano yung 1/2 ng 400? It will be 20,000 joules is equal to 200 meters squared per second squared times mass. So, since that is 1/2 ng 400, that is 200. Okay? So, we have here divide both side by 200 meters squared per second squared. So, yung mass natin, yung mass will be 200. We have here 200,000 joules over 200 meters squared per second squared. So, this will be 200,000 divided by 200. That is 1,000 kilogram. So, yan yung mass ng sasakyan natin. Okay? So, again ha, that is 20,000 yung jote. Okay. So, kulangan pala tayo ng 0 dito. Okay. So, ayan. Kulangan lang tayo ng 0. Okay? So, that's it. Okay? So, if wala ng question, I think wala ng question. If may question, just ask a question sa comment section dito sa baba. And if you do not have a question, then thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.